Hello everyone. Let us look into this question. If A be the area of a right angle triangle and B be one of the sides containing the right angle, prove that the length of the altitude on the hypotenuse is 2AB by under root of B square plus 4A square. This is the question. So first, let us draw a figure according to that. According to the question, let us draw the figure first. A right angle triangle. Okay, let this be a right angle triangle. Let us name it as XYZ. And the area of this is we will take it as capital A, and small b be one of the sides containing the right angle. So either it can be xy or it can be yz. I'll take xy as b. Let us suppose I take xy as b. Now prove that the length of the altitude on the hypotenuse. From here you are having, right, this is the altitude, length of the altitude. Let us suppose name it as m. So ym is the length of the altitude on the hypotenuse. So altitude in the sense makes an angle of 90 degrees. Okay, that means xmy or ymz, whatever the angle it is, that will be always 90 degrees, right? Now this is according to the given figure, according to the question, right? So now let us start with the given conditions. What is given? Right angle triangle. So triangle xyz is a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle, and A beats area, beats area, right? This is done for us. And also it is told that B be one of the sides containing the right angle. So here we'll take let xy equal to B, right? So what I have to prove? I have to show that ym, that is the length of the altitude on the hypotenuse, that I have to show it as 2ab by under root of b square plus 4a square. This is what I have to prove. Now let us start the proof for this. Okay, so for our convenience, we will draw this triangle in the next also, so that it will be easy for us for solving it. Okay, so here let us draw the triangle. Just this is for our convenience to make the question a little bit clear. So this was our x, y, z, and this was our perpendicular, right? Okay, so these are the things what you have to do. Now let us start the proof for this. So when you start the proof for this, right, now given it is already according to the question, it is told that area of triangle xyz is equal to a, right? Now here we have it is already told to us that this is b, right? We took it as b already. Now what is the formula for area of triangle? According to this part, it is half into base into height. So I can write this as half into xy into yz is equal to a, right? So half into xy is already b into yz is equal to a, right? So from here, what I will get yz value? So yz value will be 2a by b, right? Let us name this as equation 1. Okay, so we got up to here, that is yz is equal to 2a by b. So let us name this as equation 1. Now we will consider two triangles. Okay, so now the case is consider triangle XMY and triangle XYZ. Okay, XMY and XYZ. So here we know this, that angle XMY is equal to angle XYZ is equal to 90 degrees, right? This is first already we know this, because this is the perpendicular we have from here, right? Similarly, angle YXM is equal to angle YXZ. So this is common angle, right? So according to AA similarity, so by AA similarity criteria, what can I write? I can write that triangle XMY, right? So triangle XMY, you can take it as that is similar to, okay, triangle XMY is similar to triangle XYZ, right? So you got up to here. Now, when they are similar, the ratios of the sides are equal. So I can write it as XM by XY is equal to MY by YZ is equal to XY by XZ, right? Now, here out of these three, so let us suppose name this as equation 2. Okay, so we got up to here. Now the next thing is, out of, since the the sides of the ratios are, the ratios of the sides are equal, we will consider the second one and third one, because I want to find out my. Okay, I have to get yz, I have to get xz, and xy is yz is already there here. I have to find out xy and xz. Xy is also available with us, that is b. Just if I can find out xz, then according to this second and third ratio, I can find out the answer directly, right? Because if I take the first one, I don't know what is xm. So we will consider the second and the third one, right? So while calculating it, we can see here. So first, by Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem, so if we apply Pythagoras theorem for the right angle triangle, what can I write? I can write here as xz square is equal to xz square is equal to x square xy square plus yz square, right? Xz square is equal to xy square plus yz square. Now let us see what are the things we are available with us. Xz we don't know, xy we know it, that is b, and yz we got it as 2a by b. Okay, so I can substitute here. So from here, xz square is equal to, what is xy? That is b. So b square plus, what is yz? I got it as 2a by b. So 2a by b whole square. So from here, xz square is equal to b square plus 2a whole square by b square, right? So I got up to here. So from this case, xz square is equal to, when I take the LCM and when I simplify this, when I take the LCM and when I simplify this, what I'll get? Xz square is equal to b to the power of 4 plus 4a square by b square. Now xz is equal to, when the square goes to that side becomes root, I'll get it as under root of b to the power of 4 plus 4a square by b square. So when you separate the root, I will get this as under root of b to the power of 4 plus 4a square by b. Now I got the exact value, right? So now I can do one thing. From equation 2, I will consider this one, my by yz is equal to xy by xz. So from equation 2, consider my by yz is equal to xy by xz. Now let us substitute all the values whichever are there with us. Okay. Now my, we don't know, that we have to find out. So my remains the same. by yz. Yz I got it as 2a by b. So it is 2a by b equal to xy. Xy is b, right? It is b by xz. Xz I got it as under root of b to the power of 4 plus 4a square by b, right? So I can write this as xz as under root of b square plus 4a square by b. Okay. So now I got here. I have to find out the value of my from this. My is equal to this 2a by b goes directly to the numerator. So I'll get as b into 2a by b by under root of b square plus 4a square by b. Right? This 2 gets cancelled and this b comes directly to the numerator. So what I'll get? My is equal to 2ab by under root of b square plus 4a square. What is this my? My is nothing but the length of the altitude, right? This is the altitude. So the length of the altitude on the hypotenuse is the one that we got right now. Therefore, length of the altitude on the hypotenuse, right? That is ym or my is equal to, you got it as 2ab by under root of b square plus 4a square. This is what we have to prove, right? I hope you got this answer. We'll meet the next question next time. Thank you.